Ala, hinahabol na ba tayo ni SCP-67? Ayun na lang, hinahabol tayo ni SCP-67! No! Go, 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 run! Welcome to the hardest Would You Rather but meme edition. Hindi naman siya ganun kahirap, guys. Pero kung ano yung napili mo, ganun yung mangyayari sa'yo. Kaya samahan nyo kami. Let's go! Ayan, nandito na tayo sa Would You Rather question. Pero bago yan, guys, may kasama ulit tayo. Ang aking son na mas matangkad pa sa akin. Why is so big? Why you getting so big? Mas matangkad pa sa akin yung anak ko, guys. Let's go. Sagutin na natin tong unang tanong. Would you rather become 6'7" kid or become Fonk? Who is Fonk? I would rather become 6'7" kid. Naging 6'7" ba tayo? Ala! Naging 6'7" kid tayo, guys. Ala, guys, bumagay yung mukha ni 6'7" kid sa ating Roblox character. Oh, tingnan nyo. Parang katawan talaga ni 6'7" kid to. Okay, next question. Be tough pigeon doctor or become tough baby? I would rather become a tough baby. How about you? Magiging baby ba tayo? What? Hindi naman ako naging baby. Okay, pangatlong tanong, guys. Would you rather be chased by City Boy or be chased by Mr. Beast? Pero bago mo nyo sagutin, guys, parang alam ko na yung sagot nyo. Pero bago yan, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Let's go. Would you rather? I'm gonna rather be chased by Mr. Beast. Where are you, Mr. Beast? Oh, that's Mr. Beast. Don't follow me, Mr. Beast. No, stop following me. May sinasabi pala si Mr. Beast. Sabi niya, subscribe to me. Do you feel... Oh, free money. I'm literally giving away $10,000. Nag-subscribe daw tayo kay Mr. Beast. Bibigyan niya tayo ng $10,000. Wait ka lang, Mr. Beast. Meron pa kaming would you rather question. Would you rather have tongbat or have ballerina cappuccino dress? Okay, let's go to cappuccino dress. Let's see. Ito na ba yung dress ni cappuccino ballerina? Where are you, Tung Tung? Oh, Tung Tung! Don't follow me! Stop following me, Tung Tung! My son bit me! Why would you do that to your mom? I'm your mom! Why are you beating your mom? No! Stop beating your mom! Stop that! Stop! Next question, guys. Would you rather drink speed potion or would you rather be friends with Tung Tung? I'd rather be friends with Tung Tung! Oh, hi, Tung Tung! Hello, Tung Tung, my friend. Stop beating my friend. That's my friend, Tung Tung. Bye, my friend. Would you rather be thin or be fat? So, tatlo na yung pagpipilian namin, guys. Would you rather be thin, be fat, or be a giant? Let's try the be a giant. Let's see what we gonna be. Oh, Lord! Laki ko na, guys! Hey, lagot ka! Kasing laki ko na si chimpanzee ni Bananini! Come on, follow me! Follow your big mom! Look at me! Look at my muscles! Guys, hindi na ako masya sa bewang ko yung skirt ni ballerina cappuccina. Biglang laki tayo, guys! Ano, laban ka? Ano? May bat ka dyan? Ha? Malaki ako. Ano, laban ka? Tanggalin mo yan. Madaya ka. Bakit meron kang tong-tong bat? Let's do 1v1. Come on, let's do 1v1. Let's try to 1v1. Guys, mukhang natalo tayo. Meron siyang bat. Tayo malaki lang. That's it. Nawala yung pagka-giant ko. Oh, would you rather marry Frigo Camelo or marry Ballerina Cappuccina? Oh, dyan ka sa Ballerina Cappuccina. Dito ako kay Camelo.
We are gathered here today. Frigo Camelo.
Ikakasal na kami ni Camelo. Yes, I do. Ay, 28% lang yung pumili kay Camelo. Would you rather get framed mug by a frat leader or drink cappuccino assassino? That's it. I'm gonna go to cappuccino assassino. I have a sword. Lagot ka! Lagot ka ngayon, makulit ka. Ang laki ng sword ko.
Wish I had Robux.
Boing, 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 boing. Guys, look at my sword. Oh, yeah.
Mama.
Look at my samurai. Oh, Oh, astig ang mama mo. Next question. Would you rather complete a tower or bounce like gangster Futera? We would rather complete a tower. Okay, we're here at the tower. Wow. Tower of Heaven.
Because it's so easy.
Here we are. Wow. So easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Ah! Ah! Kakasabi ko lang easy peasy. Ano ba yan? Kasi, ano ba nangyari sa akin? Ba't pumuposing ako ng ganyan?
Kasi
Naging si Cappuccino, ano na kasi ako. Ah, natapos namin! Guys, ang kulit ko tumakbo. Parang sa anime. Tingnan nyo. Oh, look at me.
have a burger head.
Anime run.
Be called
Would you rather have a burger head? Or would you rather be called burger?
I would
Burger head? Burger.
Ito.
Called burger. Okay, I'd rather have a burger head.
I will kill him.
Nye, nawala na nga yung mukha natin. Ganito pa tayo.
He's calling me a burger.
Guys, ito na yung kinalabasan ng would you rather natin. Tingnan nyo, oh. Next question. Guys, would you rather be Speed, be Soccer Ronaldo, or be Mr. Beast? Speed, Ronaldo, Mr. Beast. What would you rather? Go choose anything. Wow, Ronaldo. Ronaldo?
Yeah.
Let's try be Speed. Magkasama si Speed tsaka si Ronaldo. Sui. Let's go, Sui. 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 Where are you? Where are you, Ronaldo? Aldo. Ronaldo. Wait. Let's do the Sui. Ready? Sui. Hindi natin magawa. Magkasama sila, guys. Yay. Next question. Would you rather chased by SCP-67 or Lost 67? SCP, Lost 67.
So,
SCP! Ala, hinahabol na ba tayo ni SCP-67? Ayun na lang, hinahabol tayo ni SCP-67! No! Go, 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 run! Nakain niya ba tayo?
no.
Hindi niya tayo nakain. Ala, ano nangyari?
Tung
Nawala.
tung 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 tung
Ano
sahur.
nangyari?
Would you
This
rather
is
save tung
okay.
tung tung
Kasama
sahur
lang
or kill
pala.
tung 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 sahur?
Kasama sa choices. Would you rather save tung 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 sahur or kill tung tung tung
you
sahur?
kill Tung
What would you rather?
Save.
Wow, save. Let's try this. Oh no, kanina friend ko si Tung Tung ngayon. I'm so sorry, Tung Tung.
sahur.
You're gonna be unalive.
I unalive him. I unalive
Wawa
him.
naman, Tung Tung. Is this the last question?
I'm P16.
Last question, guys. Go back.
Would
Would
you
you rather?
Go back to 2016 or
Go
get
back to
skibidi toileted?
2016 or get skibidi.
Go back to 2016. 2016, you're not even born yet. My son. And get skibidid. Go back, get skibidid. I'm gonna go to skibidi. Hello, we're literally inside the skibidi toilet. Guys, sino isi-save natin? Si Tatata Sahur or si Strawberry Elephant? Let's save Strawberry Elephant.
Get ready.
Wawa, Tatata Sahur. May tanong ako sa anak ko, guys. Prank your mom or prank your dad? Prank your mom. I'm literally beside you. Yak! Inututan mo ako! Buwang. Guys, napunta na kami sa winter. Kaya kung na-enjoy nyo yung video, guys, comment down below para sa mga susunod ko pang lalaruin. Alam!